Alright, so I thought I'd do a quick video on the waterproofing under these side panels here, under these, because water, as you can see, trickles down and goes under here, and it goes through the fillings. Right, some of the water goes through the fillings and onto the other side where it can rust. And obviously, since I'm converting this into a camper van, I don't want any kind of water getting in on the other side where there'll be insulation and kind of festering in there and rusting and stuff. So I'm going to do a quick kind of tutorial video on removing all these panels here and then kind of waterproofing them in the same way that I've done here. As you can see, I've put sealant here before putting these back on, these clips back on, and then putting the side panel back on. So yeah, if you want to see that, keep watching. Alright, so before I begin, I'm going to use one of these Torx spanners. I believe this is it, and it's a T15 because there are screws on just behind some of these side panels, and then these plastic, I don't know what they are, spatula type things, and link in the description where you can buy them. But yeah, these will help lift off the side panels. So yeah. Alright, so out of these tools, the most useful I found taking off these side panels was this one with the curved edge there, and this one, at least to begin with, just to kind of, you know, put a wedge in there and be able to pull the thing off, because that's all you need. You need to kind of, you know, put a big enough gap in there so you can yank it off without, you know, bending the plastic too much. So yeah. Now I'm going to wash this stuff up. Just to give you a heads up in terms of removing the light out of the side panel here, because you'll probably need to remove the other clips from the side panel when you removed it in the first place. You have to twist like that and then pull it out, and put it back in, obviously put it in, and then twist it back in place like that. Alright, this is me, and I'm going to remove one of these things. As you can see, you just put this kind of fork part of the spatula underneath and it just comes off. Easy peasy. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the little clip, and I just put this, I use this Sikaflex 221 sealant, black for my van. You might want to use a different colour for yours. Here it is. Just put a blob all around this bit like that. Like that. Nice little blob like that. And then what I do is pretty obvious, but I'll show it anyway. Go up to my van, so I'll start here, I guess, and I'll put this thing in like that, and I squish it in like that, and that's it. And I make sure that this clip bit here is vertical, because it goes in. That's how it goes in onto the side panel, and that's it. So now I'm going to do the rest of it. Alright, as you can see, I've finished and put all the clips back on, and just get this in focus. Come on, yeah. all the clips are back on, and I've with the sealant here, so it's all should be waterproof. And now all I've got to do is let's put the side panels back on. I won't put all of them back on, just the ones I can at the moment, since I've got some bulbs to replace and things. So you'll see me replace these ones, or put these back. You'll see me put these back on. There you go, the Torx wrench here, and the screw, wherever it is. Here it is. It's not in focus, but you get the idea. It's a T15 Torx wrench, and I'll put that in now. And that's it. I'd recommend switching on the headlights to see if those lights work properly after placing everything back. So I'll do that now. So yeah, everything works and looks okay to me. So yeah, please subscribe if you like that video, and yeah, I'll be posting up more soon. Thanks.